Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT loading error image generation. Try again later. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your ChatGPT apps. When you try to generate a new image in ChatGPT, it gets stuck on the loading screen. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the ChatGPT apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for ChatGPT apps. Now tap on ChatGPT apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission. Now allow all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your ChatGPT apps. Now tap on search bar and search for ChatGPT apps. Now tap on ChatGPT apps. Now tap on update. Please wait, it's updating. After that, now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go to your ChatGPT apps. Now tap on plus icon and tap on photo. Now select your photo and tap on done. Now tap on send. This is a server issue. Please wait 1 day, 2 days and it should be fixed automatically.